What's up, y'all? Welcome back to All Things Duncombe. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Before I get into this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click that bell to get notified each and every time I post a new video. Comments, like, all that good stuff. Y'all know what to do. But, my ring light came in. Let's do a thumbnail. Alright, so I'm going to do an unboxing, show y'all what it looks like. Let me back the camera up. Alright, so I'm going to open it up on camera for y'all. Alright, so what we got? Ooh. 18 inches. Okay. This is the other pieces for the light. Okay. Ring light. Alright, it's in here. Stand. Okay. Ooh. So we got the little remote. Okay. Like to hold your phone or camera, whatever you're using. And okay. This is for the warm light setting, but I'm gonna set it up and then show y'all what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like set up. It's already pretty high, but it can go higher. It has, you just unscrew that and you can make it higher. This is where you would put your phone or your camera, and this adjusts as well. And it has a little stand. This is the plug right here. Again, the warmer setting and then a little remote. So I'm gonna set it up so y'all can see the video. So turn it on. You gotta turn it on right here. Ooh, it's the brightest. All right, let me get in front of it. Wait, I'm gonna sit. Ooh. Wait. Okay, this is the brightest. A little shiny. This is the brightest. Flaws and all. I would probably do it about, okay, it's off. About right there. Okay, well, let me set my phone up in a little holder. All right, so this is what the holder. Let's turn it up. Ooh, that's bright, bright, bright. Such a huge difference. I'm gonna insert, ooh, the clip so you can see what it looked like before the ring light and after the ring light. So you can compare the differences. Again, this is an 18-inch Neweer ring light. I got it off of Amazon. I don't really know how to use this thing, but I'm gonna figure it out. Figure that out. But it's just a little clicker to start and stop or like take a picture with this button, so you won't have to do it on your phone or your camera. But yeah, I got this off of Amazon. You can find it anywhere between like $79, $75 to about 100 something. I'll put the link below to the one I got. You can get it new or used. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, I love it. 18 inches. I was gonna get a smaller one, but I was looking at a lot of different reviews and it just made sense to just get the 18-inch one time. You can tilt it forward if you want to, like focus it if you're doing like cooking videos or hair videos. You can tilt it how you need to, but overall, I love it, y'all. It only took about, how long? 5 days to come in, so really quick shipping. And I think it's worth the money. So if you're new, starting with YouTube, trying to build your channel, you want to get better quality videos, I would definitely recommend to get this ring light because it just makes it look so much better. I don't even have a backdrop, but I know with my backdrop it'll look better. You know what? Let me get my backdrop so we can see what it looks like. Light. Alright, so this is my little backdrop. Look at that, y'all. It's down. This is no light. This is literally just a ceiling light and a lamp. Ooh, this is with the ring light. Wow. And it's not even bright outside, so I have no kind of natural light at all. So this is perfect to record at nighttime if you need to record later. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a whole bunch of videos, and now the lighting will be better, so I'm really excited about that. I'm about to fix this hair because I know it's looking crazy. So that'll be my next video. You guys can see what it looks like. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna turn this light off. This is me with no other light, just the ring light. The brightest. Ooh, that's bright, y'all. Like this. Let me just add the, I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the warm shade on it. All right, this is with the warm lighting. Still pretty good lighting. This is the brightest, and this is like lower, but it's still good with the warm lighting. I think it just depends on your backdrop and the look that you're going for to do it. And I like how it makes me kind of look up at the camera because the stand is pretty high and my chair is kind of low, so it's like I'm giving you guys eye contact. I'm here with you. So overall, I love this, y'all. I'm gonna be doing, it's giving me motivation to do a lot more videos because I feel like the quality is better with this. So would definitely recommend. Let me know what you guys think down below. Tell me which I can't even talk. Tell me some supplies that y'all use in y'all videos, different things like that, where you get your different backdrop things to film, lighting, setup equipment, all that kind of stuff. Maybe I'll use that for another video to show you guys my setup and how I record my videos at home for smaller YouTube channels. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. I'll see y'all next time.